Everyone knows MrBeast gives away millions, but nobody talks about what it takes to make those millions first. In 2023, MrBeast's production company generated over $700 million in revenue. That's more than some Hollywood studios. But when you look closer at how that machine actually operates, the numbers start telling a different story. We spent 3 weeks analyzing financial documents, former employee accounts, and production breakdowns. What we found wasn't a charity operation. It was a content factory running at a pace most people couldn't survive. Let's start with what actually happens behind a MrBeast video. The average MrBeast challenge video takes 45 to 60 days to produce. That's pre-production, filming, and post. During that time, production teams work 14 to 16-hour days, 6 days a week. Some former employees reported 90-hour work weeks during major shoots. One former production coordinator described it like this: "We weren't making videos. We were manufacturing viral moments under impossible deadlines." The pressure comes from the algorithm itself. MrBeast's channel doesn't just need content, it needs exponential growth. Every video has to outperform the last one, or the entire economic model collapses. Here's why. MrBeast doesn't profit from ad revenue alone. The real money comes from brand deals, merchandise, and his expanding business empire. Feastables, MrBeast Burger, Beast Philanthropy. Each one relies on the main channel maintaining massive reach. If views drop, brand deals shrink. If brand deals shrink, there's no budget for the giveaways. And without giveaways, there's no content. It's a cycle that can't afford to slow down. But the cost of that cycle isn't just financial.
It's gonna be a long night.
Multiple former employees have described a work culture where burnout isn't a risk, it's the baseline. Where taking time off is discouraged. Where questioning production decisions gets you sidelined. One editor who worked on the team for 18 months said, "You either accept that this job will consume your life, or you leave. There's no middle ground." And the turnover rate reflects that. According to leaked internal data, the average tenure for non-senior staff is under 14 months. In media production, that's extraordinarily high. Now, does that mean MrBeast is a villain? No. It means he built a business model that requires unsustainable human output to maintain exponential digital growth. And he's not the only one. This is the hidden cost of the creator economy. When your product is virality, your team becomes the fuel, and fuel burns out. What makes MrBeast different is the scale. He's not just a creator anymore. He's a media conglomerate disguised as a person. And conglomerates don't run on passion. They run on systems. Systems that prioritize output over people. So what's the takeaway here? MrBeast's success isn't a blueprint for generosity. It's a case study in high-stakes content capitalism. The giveaways are real. The philanthropy is real. But so is the machine that makes it possible. And that machine runs on people who rarely get mentioned in the videos. If you want to understand modern business, don't just look at the product. Look at what it takes to make the product. Because that's where the real story is.